making this TikTok. Uh-oh. Looks like we might be in trouble. You two are out of control. Look at you and all of this nonsense. You know what? I think they need their eyes open. Smile, it's time for some TikTok. Oh my gosh, where did they go? It's probably fine. Whoa! What happened to us? How did we get here? What's this? It says start. Guess we might as well press it and see what happens. Woo! TikTok! Look at us do some things. Oh, that was actually kind of hard. I'm out of breath. Oh, wow. We might need to step up our workouts. In the meantime, how about a drink? These drinks should help cool us off. Sure. Ooh, those are some nice bubbles. Good carbonation. Cheers! Hey, wait a second. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just watching a TikTok. Take a look at this. See? She's doing some sort of hack or trick with soda. I wonder what's gonna happen next. Wait, is that cotton candy? Oh, she's putting it right into the drink. It changed color. And now she's added yellow cotton candy too. I wonder if we could do that one day. Yeah, I agree. Hey, look what you have right there. Yoink! Hey, look! Your imagination cloud is actually cotton candy! What? Now we can do the TikTok too! Alright, we've got the glass and we've got the soda. It's poured and ready to go for the next step. Are you ready? Into the soda you go, cotton candy! Nice! It melted! Ready for even more cotton candy? Let's keep adding it! I just love how it just melts away to nothing. It's almost magical. It makes me feel like I'm brewing potions or something. Hey, let me try to add this color now. Good idea. I'll add some too. Alright, it looks good. I've got my straw. Do you have yours? Let's give this drink a try. Wow, that's really tasty. Whoa, hey, check this out. Yeah, that's nice, but I'm reading right now. Whoa, what about this one? Look! Stop bothering me! I said I'm reading! Oh my gosh! What is she doing with those gummy bears? She melted them! And now she has a strawberry? No way! She just coated the strawberry with a gummy melt! Incredible! This gives me a fantastic idea! I've got a whole jar of gummies and a bowl. I bet I can do this. In you go, gummies! It's microwave time. Now I just gotta wait for them to melt. Great, it's done. I'm pretty excited to give this a try. Alright, next up I'm gonna need some strawberries. And other fruits too. Oops, can't forget the skewer too. That's super important. Strawberry has been skewered. Time to give this a try. Ooh, look at it sink into the melted gummies. Just gotta twist it to make sure it's fully covered. I bet I can zazz this up even more with some sprinkles. Sprinkles always make things better. I'll just twirl this sticky strawberry to make sure it's all coated. Aw, oh my gosh, look at her. She's totally falling asleep. Let me make some more. This time with the other fruit too. Spin, spin, spin in the goo. Ooh, the goo is sinking in the blackberry pits. And the grape is so shiny. And of course the sprinkles too. The little hearts are so cute. There we go, a whole plate of them. Alright, time to wake her up with a little clap. I said a little clap. Huh? What happened to the lighting? It's so nice. Ta-da! I've made you a romantic treat. Go ahead, pick one out. This is so wonderful. Here, I'll feed you one. Delicious. Here's one for you. Oh wow, that's utterly scrumptious and so romantic. Dear, are you okay? No, I'm fine. Well, that's good. Want some more? No? Okay. Just peeling some cucumbers. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty when she's cooking. This is taking too long. I can speed it up. So lovely, a princess full of grace. She inspires me to create some art. Okay, I've got the proportions down. What are you doing? Oh, are you sketching me? Here, I'll pose for you with my cucumber. How's my hair look? Are you capturing my good side? How about this pose instead? Wait a second. Oh no. My pencil lead! It's broken! Oh my gosh, your pencil! How will you finish your art? Oh, wait, I'll check my phone. Maybe there's a solution. Okay, look, here's something. They have a pencil and a peeler. Look at that! They're using the peeler to sharpen the pencil. Wow, it did such a good job! Amazing! Come on, peeler, time to help me with my pencil emergency. Just like the video, gonna peel this pencil upward. Gotta keep turning the pencil so it's even. Oh, it worked! Here's your peeler back, dear. One moment while I finish the portrait. Okay, I'm done. Are you ready to see it? Ta-da! Wait, a cucumber? That's what you were drawing this whole time? Well, that's another disappointment. I don't know. I think it's a pretty good likeness. I'll just spritz this rose, even though it looks a little plain. Hello, dear. I brought you some fresh flowers. Oh my goodness, what a lovely surprise. They're beautiful, and they smell amazing. Here, take my phone and snap a photo of me. Okay, are you ready? Smile! Oh, here, take one of me like this. Thank you, that should be good. And now I'll put them in this vase. I'll take my phone back now. Ah! My phone! Oh no! No! I heard a crack! My precious phone! What did I do? Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. Maybe you shouldn't look. Oh my gosh! That's so much worse than I thought! Well, maybe we can fix it with some tape. Are you kidding me? Well, maybe this hammer instead? You're right, of course. Oh, I'm being foolish. I'll use my own phone. Okay, let's watch this for solutions. Wait, is that toothpaste? I can't believe they're putting that all over the screen. And now they're rubbing it in? Why would they do this? Okay, well at least they're cleaning it off now. Wait, what? The cracks in the screen were completely gone! We might as well give it a try with your smashed phone. I've got the tube of toothpaste and it's ready to go! Just like the video, I'll put it all over the screen. Alright, that should be enough. And I've got the napkin to wipe it off. Oh, it's just smearing it on the phone. I don't think it's working. Ugh, what a waste of time. My poor phone. Ah, shoot. Well, wait a second. Honey, you've got a little something on your nose. Right here. Oh, you. You always know how to lighten my mood. This TikTok is gonna be our best for sure. Oh no, they're back. Hide the phone. We're just kidding. We totally get TikTok now. Come on, let's do one together. Which of these TikTok hacks would you try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.